Hello everyone. So my name is Rahul. So welcome back to my another tutorial. So this tutorial is all about Aweber tutorial. All right. So in this video, I will show you from scratch to how to set up your signing form, how to create a campaign to send an email to your subscriber. All right. So if you're starting a journey in online marketing. So I will highly recommend you use this tool Aweber for email marketing because this is the best platform and currently I'm using this tool and I'm very much satisfied. All right. So it also gives a 30 days free trial. So you can use for 30 days. All right. So I will provide you the link below so you can go and you can sign up there. All right. So without wasting any time, let's get started. All right. So what you have to do after signing up in the AV you have to come into your dashboard. All right. So I have already created my account. So I have come into my dashboard, and you can see in the dashboard you can see a message, subscriber, sign up form, everything you will see in the dashboard. All right. So you will come down, you will get to know to see about your the list name, what are the list you are creating. So the first thing what you have to do, you have to simply click on the manage list. All right. So I'm making this video for a beginner level. All right. So if you're starting your journey for marketing, so the first thing what you have to do when you sign up in the Aweber, click on the manage list. All right. When you will click on the manage list, you have to create a list. All right. And I click create list, and you can fill up your form. For example, your company name. What is your company name? So I can. So I simply write Rahul Jaiswal company. So if you have any company, you can write down there. All right. Your website, your company website. What is your company website? All right. So you can go and fill it there. Right. So your address and yes, sender name. Send write down your sender name. What if you want to send an email to a subscriber, so what will be your sender name? So this is very important. And sender email, what will be your sender email, right? So always put uh, don't put free email like gmail.com, hotmail.com. Always put a domain .com, because if you put, then nobody going to read your email. All right. So I have already created my domain name email. So I'll just click on that, and I will simply go and click on the next button. All right. So give it a name. For example, your list name. So I will click on the test two. All right. So I will click on the test two, and I will simply go and describe. So for example, what are the things you are giving to your subscriber through your email. So for example, I want to give a lead magnet. So what are the product I'm promoting is a, for example, I'm promoting a keto diet. So I will simply write down that I'm providing you with keto recipes. So let's see this diet. Right. So this is for example. So if you have your own product, then you can simply write down your product descriptions. What your subscriber will get it. All right. So another thing is that so you can go to the click on next step. All right. So yeah, this is what they are saying. A confirmation message can be sent to a new subscriber when they join to your list. All right. So for example, if anybody subscribe to your sign up form, they will get a confirmation message. What does it mean is that uh, uh, that is single opt-in, double opt-in. All right. So what does it mean of double opt-in? Somebody have subscribed to your sign up form, and they have to click another link from their email, and then they will subscribe to your list. All right. Otherwise they will not. Right. So I will always suggest you don't use a double opt-in, because if you will choose a double opt-in, people are so lazy they don't click another a link in your email. So always try to click a single opt-in, because uh, in single opt-in they will directly get a mail. They don't have to subscribe at all right. So yes, this is the thing. And another thing, in the up so in the next step I will show you that how to you can mm, uh, turn off your double opt-in and single opt-in. All right. So if you want to uh, create a single opt-in or double opt-in, you can turn it from. It's up to you. All right. So what you have to do, you have to select your language. What is your language? And subject line is that subscription. Confirm your subscription. What do you like to? For example, first name. If anybody subscribes, so it will give you a name and then confirm your subscription. So it will like that only. So it's a subject line. What subscriber will get it. Alright, yes, preview message. Right, you can write down your whatever the things. You can edit your message. So if you want to uh, take a try in opt-in, double opt-in message. Alright, so I will not do it because I want to uh, make a single opt-in. So I will not do this whole thing. So I will simply go and approve message. Click on the approve message and create list. So now finally I have created my list. Alright. So what I will do, always remember when you will come into your dashboard, always click on this down arrow button, because this is a list where you want to work. Otherwise, what happen if you will not work? Right, for example, these are the list which I have created. So if I will click on custom keto diet, so I will work on that uh, list. So whatever the list you are creating, just make sure that uh, click on the active list, which list you want to work, because there are a lot of marketer used to do this mistake. All right, so I will click on the test tool, and I will simply go and in the list option, after creating your a list, then you have to go into a list option. So click on the list option and click on the setting, list setting. When you will click on the setting, you will see some information there. You have to fill up some information. Right? That is, so you can see that confirmation message where I have told you that you can turn off your single opt-in or double opt-in if you want to get a double opt-in, or if you want to get a single opt-in. So this is the thing which I want to say to you all. So I will show what I will do. I will click on the confirmation message and I will simply go and turn off this. Right. Always remember you have to turn. If you want to make a single opt-in, then you have to always turn this off. Otherwise, your subscriber will get a double opt-in. Then your subscriber have to click in another link and they will get to subscribe. So always remember this, and I will go and turn off this, and what I will do, I will go in the basic setting. So this is a basic setting. So you can write down your thing which you want to. You can write down your name, your email address, from where you have to send your email. So you can do all this thing, and I will simply go and click on the second button, and I will go all this thing. So for example, if you want to your website URL, right, whatever your website URL, you can email signature. So whatever the email signature, you can upload it from here. And yes, you can connect with the Twitter and connect with the Facebook. Right, so you can just click and uh, do it. All right, so yeah, simply go and just save setting. All right, so I have just done all those things, and now what I will go into my dashboard. Let me see. I have saved the setting or not. Yes, I have saved the setting. All right, because it is very important. If you will not turn off this thing, your subscriber will not. They have to click on the double opt-in. So which is you have to make sure that. All right, so I will go into a dashboard, and after coming to a dashboard, uh, I will go and create a sign up. Right. So you have done all the setting here. for a manage list and a list option. You have done all the setting here. Now is the time to create a sign up form where your subscriber will put their name and email ID and uh, all right. So you have to click on a sign up form and create a sign up form. All right. So yeah, this is the thing. This is a sign up form. If you want to choose a new template, you can go and simply choose anything. Right. So for example, if you want to choose this, you can choose here. I want to choose this. Right. So I will go and simply click on the load template. Right. You can manage the size. So if you want to manage the size, so simply go and manage the size. Alright, so I will write down something here. So what I will click on this template and it gives you the text to write the text. Alright, so I will write down, for example, I want to uh, send a email. I want to collect. I want to send a lead magnet to my subscriber. So I will simply go and write. For example, I want to lead on keto diet. So I will go and write 20 keto, uh, 20 sh- 20 keto diet recipes for tea. So, so I'm doing a little bit fast. You can go and you can simply play around with that. All right. So you can go and select the size of the text. All right. If you want to make it bold, make it bold, and if you want to this, you can simply can go and do with that. So yeah. So you can save the field. All right. So you can just play around with that. All right, so you can change everything here, header, footer, right? You can see your privacy, anything. You can go and simply edit all those things. All right, so I will not do anything. So I will simply what I will do, I will just go and uh, save your form, and I will simply go to the next step. That's it. So give your form name. So I will write down test 2. So yes, this is important. Thank you page. So if you have a thank you page, like a custom thank you page, or you can set a default. It's up to you. So if you have another thank you page, simply go and click on the custom page and click on the enter your URL. And if you will click this window, it means that your thank you page will open in the uh, new window. All right, so I will simply go. So right now I have not created any custom URL page of thank you page. So I will simply go and just uh, basic version. I will click on this. Right, I will click on the default which the viewer has. So if you have any thank you page, you can go and simply paste it in your thank you page URL, custom URL. All right. So another thing is that you don't have to do anything here. Simply go and click on the step 3, right? And save your form. Now your form is published. What you need you to do? You have to click on the first. If you want to install in form in other uh, in your landing page or in your uh, blog page, you can do it from here. So I will click on the first link and I will copy this code. This code is very important. You have to make sure copy all your code, right? And I will what I will do. I will go to my site. So this is my site which are under construction. So I will create a new post. So I will click on new add new post, and I will click on the text. So I will simply go and write down the text to write down the name, and I will go click on the text here, uh, right hand side, and I will simply paste this thing. When I click the visual, it automatically uh, I think I've done something wrong. Let me see what I've done. Sorry, I have to click on the always click on the raw HTML version. So I click on the Java snippet. So always click on the raw HTML version. So I will go and copy this HTML version code. Alright, and I will simply go to my website and click on the text and paste it here. Alright, and when I will click on the visual, it automatically, yes. See, when I will preview the pages, it automatically shows like this. Alright, now your sign up form is done. Alright, so if you want to paste the HTML code in your landing page, or if you want a wall page, you can do it anywhere. Alright, so I've shown you that how you can do it, how you can create your sign up page and create that HTML code, and using that HTML code you can go to your landing page or any blog post or anywhere you can paste it there, and you can get your signing page. So when your visitors come into your signing page and they will write down your mail or name or email, they will get a uh, email. All right. So if you are selling, or if you are selling not selling, you want to give a lead magnet to a subscriber, so you simply go and you have to write down your email. You want to give a lead magnet through email, so what you have to do now, you have to create an email. So when your visitor comes into your sign up form, they have to write down name and email, and with that, when they will type this, they will get an email. All right, so how uh, so I will show you that how you can create email follow-up series. So you have to come into your uh, this thing, Aweber dashboard, and click on the campaign. All right, when you will click on the campaign, you have to create a campaign. So simply I will go into create a blank campaign, and I will give it a name of pesto. All right, so it welcome to the campaign editor. It's selected trigger. So if start a campaign when someone is added to your list. So if someone is subscribed, then my campaign, they will get an email while subscribing. So I will write down the thing. So I will just simply uh, replace. So I will trigger a campaign for a new subscriber. If somebody subscribe, they will get a mail. So, right. So what I will do, I will simply you will in the left side you have seen the send a message, wait and apply tag. What I will do, I will simply drag this send message. All right, and I will click this arrow down button, and I will drag and drop email builder. So when I will, and I can create a email. All right, so I will go and write down, for example, you can write down here anything. So welcome, write down the subject line, welcome, and here is your here is your ebook, right? So if you are giving a lead magnet, then you can go and write down in the subject line anything. So I will go, I will come here is your ebook and I will say, simply write down this, write down anything. So yes, so you can also personalize the name, first name. For example, if anybody, so this means I will simply click hi. So when I will go and personalize the thing, for example, first name, I will subscriber info and click on the first name. It means that hi. For example, if I will go in the sign up form and I will write down my name Rahul and email ID, so it automatically if they will get an email of hi Rahul. So for me, when I will subscribe that, it will automatically personalize with my name. So it give more authorized if somebody subscribe to your sign up form. All right. So always remember that, and you can write down anything. Right? You can write down anything, or I will simply just hey, so thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. So here is a ebook. Sure, ebook. So I will click here to get a. So you can just simply go and uh, uh, click, and when you will go and click on the click here but text, simply go and click this hyperlink, and you can simply go and tag a URL of your ebook. So so your subscriber will able to download. So you can another thing is that you can go to your anything, you can use all those things. And if you want to select the image, go, if you can go and simply add to your image. So if you have any image of your own, you can simply and go, right? Or if you have any image, for example video, so you can also add a video. All right. So if you want to make your subscriber to watch your video, so you can simply go and you can do it. All right. So I will not do it, just you can play around with that. All right. And I will simply go uh, really fast. All right, because I will not waste this time on doing this all this stuff. You can simply go and play around with that. All right. So I will, what I will do, I will go and simply uh, uh, save and exit. All right. When I will click on the save and exit, so uh, my first email is sent to my subscriber if somebody subscribe my sign up form. All right. So if I want to follow up a series of email, if somebody have subscribed to mine, and then I have to send again email to that person, then I can able to do that. How? Let me show you. Right. So if somebody have subscribed to my uh, sign up form, they will get a email immediately. All right. They will get a email immediately. So another thing is that when they will get a immediately email, so I want to I want to make a wait for one day after the first email. Right. For example, if somebody get a email of my ebook of first email, then I will wait for one day before performing the next action. All right. So in the next after one day, they will get another email. So I will go there and simply drag and down button, and I will create a message again. Right, so you can do it anything, right? If you have a 10 email and you want to follow up, then you can simply go and follow up in the campaign. All right, so I will simply go, I will write hey, I write anything, right? Just you can go and write down anything. I will simply write anything, right? So I will click on the save and exit. Alright, so this is the thing, and if you want to wait for another 1 day, and then I can do it from here also. And if you want to send a message, then you can send another message. Alright, so if you have a bunch of series of email, then you can send it like that only. Alright, so I will remove right now this, so you can do it. You already know that. Right. So now you know it, right? If somebody subscribe, they will get an email, and after getting the first email, they will wait for 24 hours, and they will get another email. All right, so you can do it likewise. Uh, all right, so and I will simply go and save and exit after adding my email. And another thing, what you have to do, you have to simply go and active the campaign after creating your campaign list. It is very important. So I will just simply go and active. All right, so you can see all this thing has come, right? If somebody have click here, how many open, have many click, you will see uh, from here, right? So this is the interesting part of Aweber. All right, another thing is that you can if you want to test, go and write down, for example, I want to write down for example, I will write Rahul Jaiswal, and I will give it an uh, my email. I will click on the submit button, and I will check whether it's right. So thank you for subscribing. I will go and check and whether it's working or not. It's not my mail. I've sent another mail. Let me check. I don't know. My net is slow. I think so. Here you go. See, here you go. Right. So the mail is coming. My now it's working. All right. So yeah, do that. All right. You can simply go and uh, you can use this thing. You can simply go and play around with that. So yes, I have shown you that how to start, how to set up your campaign, and how to uh, set up your sign up form. You can simply go and watch the video, and you can do it yourself. All right. So hope you got the value. All right. So and yes, if you got any value, please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video if anyone need help. So please share this video. All right, so yeah, this is it for the day. Hope you got the value, and yes, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. All right, thank you so much.